Mix 1 kilogram of fresh cow dung in 10 liters of water. Drench it or spread it on the plant. Mix 1 liter of cow urine in 8 liters of water. Drench the mixture or spray it on the leaves. It's a very good source of micronutrients and pest and disease repellent. Put 5 kilograms of fresh cow dung and 1 kilogram of groundnut cake in a container with water for 9 days. Then put some additional water and drench it to the plants. Neem seed extract. Pound the neem seeds and tie loosely into a cloth. Soak it in the water for 12 hours. Squeeze it, filter the extract, and use it for spraying. It controls most of the insects. Neem oil. Dissolve 60 grams of oil soap in half a liter of water. Mix 1 liter of neem oil in it. Add 40 times of water to this mixture and spray. This is effective against sucking pests, caterpillars, white fly, and many others. Garlic, ginger, green chili extract. Take 50 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, and 25 grams of green chili and grind them together to make it into a paste. Add 30 times of water. Filter the solution and use it for spraying. This is also effective against most of the insects.